Assalamu alaikum friends, in this video I am going to show you that how you could make a form like this. Here you see the first form loads and then the other will show. So if you want to make a form like this, don't skip the video. Let's start. First of all, make a new form. Now resize it. Now remove its border. Now change its back color. Thank you. So now let's start. You have to take a progress bar from toolbox. Here is the progress bar. Now resize it as you want. Now place it here. Take two labels, label 1, label 2. Give label 1 value loading ... Change its forecolor and font. Now you see here it is. Place it here, and for now this one, change its forecolor. Now give it value 0. Increase its size. Okay. Now place it under the bar, under the progress bar, or after the progress bar as you want. So I place it here. Now take a timer from toolbox. Here is the timer. Drag and drop it on the form. Now double click on it. Go to the form and give this loading label design name load, and give this design name %. And now change progress bar name to P bar, stands for progress bar. Okay. Now come to the coding. So in timer tick event, you have to first of all give progress bar value. Now I write P bar dot value. First of all, you have to go to timer, and here you see behavior. In the behavior, enabled is false. Set it to true. Now come to coding and write P progress bar value is equal to plus is equal to 1. Take a integer value, public int s, and give it value 0. Come here and now write here s plus. So do the increment in s, and now write %.text is equal to s plus %sign. Now under it write if progress bar dot value is equal to 100, timer 1 dot stop. Here you see. Now if you run it, here you see the loading bar is progressing up and the percentage is also increasing. And now write here load.text is equal to completed. Now here you see, when you start the program and when this progress loads completed, this label value change to completed. Here you see, now it is completed. And now create another form and give it a label welcome. Here is the form, and now resize it, give its back color and remove its border, and give it a name or give it a label welcome. So here you see our next form is created. Go back to first form and write here create a class of your form. Here I write, not complete, its name is welcome. Here you see welcome, its new object, and now welcome dot show, and this dot hide. This statements run when the progress bar completed 100%. Now if you start this program, first of all change its start position. Come back to this and change this start position to center screen, and go back to this form and change its start position to center screen. Now if you run it, here you see. And now if you want to increase loading speed, then increase your increment. Here you see I do the increment of 1, change it to 10, and if you change this increment, then also change this increment is equal to 10. Now start it. Here you see, now it is completed quickly. Okay, so today's video is end. Tell me, do you like the video? Like my channel and if you don't subscribe the channel. Allah Hafiz.